Hello, welcome to the ERP Integration Explainer video. Here we will discuss about various different topics about integration and we will cover why ERP integration is important. So now let us talk about what is an ERP integration. ERP integration is a regular need of any business. So if you have ERP in your backend, you might have different software for which cater to the, let's say, the CRMs, the marketplaces. All these applications are producing data, and the data needs to go into your backend ERP system such that you can take the business decisions correctly. So now to integrate these various silos of data into various applications, you need an integration services which can centralize the finances, supply chain, human resource, every department of your business into one single ERP. So yeah, the benefit is it improves the efficiency of your business. It gives you relief on taking your business decisions. It can give you a data accuracy. So any data produced into various other business applications can easily traverse to your backend ERP system and can give you reports correctly. So now let us talk about the integration process. So some of the processes that we have, one is point to point. So think of point to point as a plugin or a software product which gives you a integration between one software with another. Let's say you have an SAP B1 on one side of your business, which is an ERP system, and Salesforce on the other side. So in that case, in a point to point integration will give you the power of connecting both of them together. To take an example of an integration service, let's say you have a warehouse W1 and you have another warehouse W2. Now there is a river going between them. So uh, now you want to move stocks from one warehouse to another, such that if the one warehouse one is having a out of stock, then you always get the stocks from the warehouse two, and you can supply your business. Now what you need is a bridge. Now the integration is similar to this, where you are actually creating a bridge between W1 and W2. So what is point to point? In case of point to point, the bridge is totally developed by a team which only can connect from W1 and W2. If there is a W3 somewhere else, so the bridge cannot connect. So you have to actually start a point to point integration from W3 to W1 from scratch. Now there is another possibilities, which is a custom integration. So where you as a business employing team of developers who is developing an integration for you, and this integration totally built for you. So in this example, if I want to correlate, let's say you are employing a team who is doing the bridge from scratch, like hand fabricating each and every part of the bridge, testing it on the real bridge, such that any change later on will require rebuilding the bridge again. So these are the two types. One is the point to point, another is custom integration. Third is the iPaaS. So iPaaS is giving you a centralized platform to build an integration for you, for your business. So it gives you benefits of customizations, as well as it gives you a centralized hub where you can connect different applications together. So it is like there is a centralized hub, and SAP, Shopify, all of them are connecting together, and it is sending data from and to the application. So here the benefit is the centralized platform is managing your data. And any new software, let's say you want to connect to Amazon. Now, when you connect to Amazon, you don't have to touch any of this. This is like if I take an example of warehouse and warehouse to the bridge. Let's say I have a ready-made bridge service which is there, which you can assemble to create a bridge. In that case, if there is any increase of warehouses, it can easily accommodate the change, and it can create a separate lane for this bridge. There is another type of ERP integration, which is an unified API. So unified API is a new concept where the software OEMs are giving you the power to connect to different applications. Now, what kind of applications are there in unified APIs? So in case of unified APIs, the software vendors are giving you APIs to connect from your ERP systems. So such that you can easily create an integration services here in SAP, and it can connect both of them together using the same API layer. Now, if I take an example of this, the car owner who is actually transporting the goods from warehouse 1 to warehouse 2 is an unified API, because the car owner does not need to learn anything to connect to various other warehouses. So it is actually creating a layer where the data can pass from through various applications. Now, there are some challenges of connecting the integrations. One is customizations. As I told you that ERP and various other applications might have customizations, and you need to support them. iPaaS is one way where you allow the people to build the integration in the platform itself such that it supports customizations. There is security concerns. iPaaS providers like AppSy Connect does have the security compliance present, like SOC, ISO 27001. All the security certifications are there with us. The cost might increase if you do the custom solutions. Rather, iPaaS will reduce the cost effectively in long run. Now, to conclude, to boost the productivity of the software and take entire data into centralized place, you need an ERP integration. And ERP integration will give you performance, it give you edge of your business. So it is high time to move to an integration system such that you get most of your business. Thank you for joining this session on ERP integration. If you need any help, our consultant is one click away. You can connect to us. We will give you more detailed description about the ERP integration. Okay, thanks for joining, and stay tuned for the next upcoming sessions on Explainer.